It really sucks, doesn't it, when you type in a command and it just straight up errors out. Now in the age of AI, the standard procedure is to manually copy the command and then ask in an AI prompt, give me the right command. But I think this is really tedious and we can do better. And that's why I created Her. It is an AI CLI syntax autocorrector. That's a mouthful. Anytime you type in a command that errors out, you just type in Her, and it uses the power of local AI to figure out what the right command is and comes back to you with an answer right in the terminal. It even supports fuzzy caching. Let me lay down a scenario for you. Let's say you type in a vague but oddly specific command that you'd know you'd want to use again, but you're very likely to forget it. Typing in this command would store it in a special cache, so the next time you inevitably make a typo and you need a correction from Her again, it will be better at figuring out what you want based on what's in the cache. Installing Her on Mac is as simple as running this command, and on Linux it is as simple as running this command. Her is completely open sourced, MIT licensed, and is available on GitHub for you to check out. And that's about it for me today. If you really liked this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out a lot. And if you have any feedback, put it in the comments below. I'll try to get back to you.